Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 10 and the topic the world of microorganisms part 2. Let us discuss one by one question here. The first question is what is pathogen? As we can say that disease causing organism is called as pathogen. So disease causing microorganism is called pathogen. For example, if you take that plasmodium which is a protozoan causes that a malaria. Okay, so let us go for that of next question. The next question, what are communicable diseases? Give examples, 5 examples as they have asked. What is meant by the communicable diseases? The diseases which are transmits from the one person to the toe of the other person. So the one disease infected person to the toe of the other person, as this kind of diseases we can call it as communicable diseases. So from the healthy person, as from the diseased person to the toe of healthy person. So how do these diseases will be transmitted? So there are modes of transmission. Is through water or through food or through air. As so for example, if that the healthier person, the diseases which are the diseased person, as we can say that the common cold. So how do these get infected? Through the toe of droplets which are entering into the toe of air. As nowadays we are suffering with the toe of all this pandemic situation has been created because of that COVID-19 virus. So this is transmitted through the toe of air, and the diseased person, whoever it is there, if we touch, as we will get that the transmission of that particular pathogen will be enter into the toe of healthier body. And the communicable diseases, for example, if you take that the examples of this, we'll write that examples of this. So common cold. So if you are taking that handkerchiefs or touching or through the toe for sneezing itself, the 8 droplets, whatever the diseased person which are sneezing, whenever it is, the droplets which will becomes and join in the air. If the person is the healthier person, then the person will be inhale itself. The organisms which are there, the microorganisms, pathogens will be enter into the toe of healthier body. So as we can take that an example of that a common cold and smallpox, chickenpox, whereas that a measles through air, all these conjunctivitis, tuberculosis. So measles, mumps, so etc. as we can write that. So these are that of a communicable diseases are nothing but transmissible diseases. Here from the diseased person to that of healthier person, when you see that some vectors are also helpful for that of some vectors are also causes that diseases from the diseased person to the toe of infected person to the toe of healthier person. So for example, if you take that mosquitoes also transmits that disease from the infected person to the toe of healthier person. Okay, so here as malaria, as we can take an example, dengue, chikungunya, all these will be by the mosquitoes. So these mosquitoes will be act as a vectors. Okay, so that is what about the communicable diseases. So let us go for that of next one. which diseases can be prevented if we control that mosquitoes. So if we control that taking of some measures by the nets, or else as we can avoid that stagnant water. So some precautions if we take that to avoid these all the mosquitoes, as to control these mosquitoes we can prevent that some kind of diseases. For example, as we can take malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and encephalitis. So Japanese encephalitis, as we can say. So some of the diseases as I have written here, which we can control the diseases. If we control that the mosquitoes, we can prevent this kind of diseases. So let us go for that of next question. We'll go for that of discussion here. Can you name few diseases which are transmitted by air? So through transmitted by air, as we'll write the answer. So we'll write that chicken pox, some of the diseases, chicken pox, measles, chikungunya, dengue, swine flu, whereas that chicken pox, measles, chikungunya and dengue, swine flu, polio, and will be take that encephalitis. So there are many diseases are there regarding this transmitted by the air. So here are the few diseases. We can see that chicken pox, measles, smallpox also we can consider through the air, and chikungunya, dengue, swine flu, polio, encephalitis, and as we can take the different types of diseases. But these are all which are transmitted by the air itself. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.